Tons of VTubers, especially huge corporate VTubers, have lots and lots of complex lore connecting them to their design and other generation members. Plenty of independent VTubers have it as well. While having an interesting story connected to your VTuber can connect your audience to them and bring in an audience fascinated and that kind of thing, it's not necessary to have, and here's why. The most important thing about being a VTuber or a streamer in general is having a personality type that people like. There's no one particular one to aim for, as there are all kinds of people in the world with all kinds of preferences. If an audience can like you as you are, the lore of the character isn't really needed. Looking at big VTubers, they don't mention their lore a ton. They might mention it once or twice per stream, but when they're playing a game or talking about their daily life, that's 100% them unless they're constantly playing a character. For example, there are plenty of demon lord VTubers out there, but they only reference living in hell once in a while. There are plenty of cat VTubers out there who don't say nya all the time or dislike fish or milk. No matter where your character comes from, lore-wise, how you act on stream comes first and foremost. It doesn't hurt to give your character lore if you really like world building or just want to write about it, but if you're struggling with coming up with something, don't worry about it. Just because someone has pages of lore about their character and the world that they're from, doesn't mean you have to do the same. For example, here's my lore. I woke up from a long hibernation one day and kind of forgot what I was doing before, so I decided to start streaming because I remembered the joy of sharing what I love with others and wanted to continue doing that. It's such a simple story and it's basically unneeded, but I just wanted to have something, so that's what I came up with. In my 6+ months of streaming and my almost year of being online as a VTuber, I can't remember anyone asking me about my lore or even reference it. People like to stop by and chat to me as I am, not because of the story behind the avatar I made. I hope this helped you in some way. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or pop into one of my streams. Before you start thinking about lore, there are some other things you should really keep in mind, so please check out my previous videos to find out. Bye bye!